Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay guys, I found some fuel line in my stash of motorized bicycle parts in my room, and it looks like we're gonna have enough. Would you look at that? So maybe even a little bit extra. So I just have to cut it in that, because here, I'll show you this. It is leaking. As you can see, a little bit of a drip. See right there? So it's seeping out of there, the fuel, so I do want to get that replaced. So I'm going to go check the shed and see if we have any hose clamps in the shed. I hope we do. I guess we'll find out. Otherwise I'll have to go to Ace Hardware and pick some up. But they're not really considerably the cheapest. What is this? Hose clamps, but they're way too big. I thought I saw some around here. I could have swore I saw some around here. A lot of stuff. I bet you they might be in there. So I'm gonna look up here first. Let's see. I don't know if they're in here. Guess we can look. I just got done finishing all the editing, and the video is uploaded to YouTube. So that's dropping at 5:30. So go watch that. Took a little time for the editing because it was perfecto. Ooh, found one. Found two. A 1 and a 2. I need 2 more though. So, as you can see right here, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 on the bike. And those are on there, so. Hey, right here they are. Hey, look what we found. I don't know if these are gonna work though. Because there's this type. And there's this type. I would prefer this type though. And there's this type. And there's this type. Well, I guess we'll see. Because I don't know if those would work best. Alright, I'm gonna get that out, check and see if there's any in there. And I'll see you soon. Alright, let's open up this big daddy. Look who we found. Alright, 3 down, 1 to go. Come on, where are you? Where are you hiding? Look at what we have here. Too big. Way too big. Shoot. Okay, well, unfortunately, we were very close to finding all 4. But unfortunately, we only found 3 in this case. So. Yeah, shoot. We're gonna need a flathead screwdriver. Oops. Flatty head. Let's see. Hey, look at this. Can put this on the old Bikeroo. Wonder how that would look. On the motorized bike. Like that. Hey. I guess we could take it and try it out. Why not? Right? Hey! Hey, 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 hey! Would you look at that? We found what we were looking for. Thank you, mirror. So we'll go ahead and hold this like that. Grab the snippers. Ow! Okay, set this right there. Cut this. Take off what we need. We need this, so we got our 4. And we're gonna need a zip tie. A zip tie. Where's the Mr. Zip tie? Yeah, shoot, I think I used them all. Well, you know what they say. You can't find a zip tie, just use some tape. There, we'll tape this together. There we go. Believe it or not, it's been pretty cold in Florida. It's like 38 degrees the other night. It's like, woo! Today was like 70s, low 70s, so it wasn't too bad. Yeah. Alright, so take this. We need this. These right there. Put this case back up here. Wherever you were, right here, I think. And let's go. Let's go. Should also probably grab that. Well, we'll go do this first. Alright. Let's do this. Look at that. See, from the freeze last night? Well, was it last night or the other night? Look at the plants. They're kind of squishy too. Hopefully they don't die. They turned all brown. Alright. We're gonna have to shut the fuel off. Like so. And then we're gonna fire it up and replace the lines. You know what I forgot? I knew I was forgetting something. A scissors, a snippers. I'll have to go grab that out of the house. Gotta grab my tripod too. Currently it is, can you read upside down? 54, 56, 57, pretty close. So we're gonna go grab that. Look at that, we still got our tree up. We gotta take that down too. Christmas tree. So we'll go drawer. We'll use the extra sharp scissors, not the extra dull ones. So we got the scissors. Now we're gonna grab the tripod. We gotta take the tree down pretty soon. Like, we're gonna take it down after we got back from Hawaii. So now we're officially back. So we gotta take it down. All right. There's my tripod. It's nice I picked up this handy piece online so I can hold my phone. All right. See you guys in a bit. All right. There's a little bit left. And there's a little bit left inside the fuel filter. That's some good oil, that Lucas. Doesn't even smoke. Hey, man. Alright, this might take a while, considering it gets really good fuel mileage, so whatever's left in that line, it'll just go on the ground. So, yeah. Alright, time to do the repair. Alright, folks, so our first step into this process is gonna be... You got it. It's still draining, I wonder. There, now it's fully shut off. I'll grab those rags out of my room. Okay, you guessed it. It's an old sock. So, now, we're a little bit safer here, so we make sure the bike doesn't start on fire by accident. What? Just move the car ball right here a little bit. Alright. There we go. Why are you getting fuel all over our car? Now it's time to install the top one. Well, first I gotta take this off. There we go. Alright. So it's good to save this so you know the correct length of the new one. So you can cut it. What does it look like I'm doing?
I don't know. You got a mirror laying there.
Alright.
Yeah, welcome back to you. Hey, Trusty, I'm happy to be here.
So we'll go ahead and
yeah, I know. It's
cut the size.
It's a guessing game. You don't know when it's gonna shoot up, but all I know.
There we go.
That stock isn't cut.
Okay, so we got our top part cut, which is actually, I gotta turn this fuel filter around the other way, so this is actually the top. There we go. And then this, pop off. This is the bottom, so we'll grab this piece, size it up. We got a little bit of extra. I don't know if we could use that extra, or if we'll just forget about it. Let's see here. That's that. Oh yeah, that's too much. Look at that, we got like a straight shot. So we'll cut it like right here. Make sure it's nice and straight, which it is. Pretty darn straight. We'll grab our hose clamps. That looks good. We'll just have to trim it just a little. And then as for the mirror, right here, I think that would look pretty good. Right there. Whoop. Yeah, that looks nice. Let's see. Come on, where'd the nut go now? I dropped it. Shoot. Where? Give me a second, guys. I gotta find that. I dropped the nut for it. I guess I'll continue looking for the nut when we get back. Somewhere on the ground around here. We're actually going somewhere. So, I'll see you guys soon. Peace. Okay. I'm back. So, we're gonna go ahead and put this on. Kind of secured in place. This, I believe, is supposed to be more so like this. There we go. So I'm gonna go grab, I believe it's a 10 milli, and snug it down, and then we'll be good to go. All right. Okay. So we got our socket. Would you look at that? It ain't a 10 milli. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm so used to metric sizes that so much of this stuff is metric. But this turns out to be 7/16. Alright. Before we actually should really snug it down, should adjust it so we can see out of it. You know what I mean? It's a pretty small mirror. I think it'll just be kind of temporary more than anything. But yeah. I'm gonna go take it on the road and adjust it so I can kind of see. Alright, see you soon. Okay, so we got the mirror mounted. Kind of hard to see out of it considering it's so small. But, I mean, what can you do? It's temporary for the time being. So yeah, that's what it looks like. And then I'm going to go ahead and release the safety and snip these on here. There's one. Probably should be wearing glasses, but I am not. And here is 2. And 3. There we go. Where did that one go? Here it is. Just bend them over. And we have one more up on top. Right here. There we go. Kind of just bend them over the best we can so they don't catch anything. Alright, well, there you have it. She's set up and ready to roll. This is garbage. Along with this. Really don't need this piece. And we'll go ahead and turn the fuel on. To see how it works. Come on, where's the fuel? Not coming through the lines yet. Huh. It will eventually come through. I just don't see it yet coming through. Huh. Alright. So you want to know why there wasn't any fuel flowing through it? It's because when you flip this to on, it's not actually considerably on correctly. Because see this? There's an arrow, and the arrow points. So that's why when you have it about right here, that's why it shuts off. So right here is on, actually. So now it should be filling up. So yeah, that's why. So as it turns out, I think we might have a little bit of a leakage problem. This cheap fuel filter, it looks like it might be leaking a little bit right there. So I don't know, we'll give it till tomorrow morning, but I think it's leaking. So we might have to pick up another fuel filter for it. So we'll see you guys. Peace out. Alright. Thanks for tuning in. It does look pretty nice though with that black fuel line, so I guess we'll see within the next day if we need a fuel filter. Peace.